Hi guys, can you hear me okay?
Yeah, nice and clear.
Good. I couldn't join last week because I believe Shakti took away my voice for about 2 weeks, so that was really interesting. So my question is that I've had about two phases of this journey, probably more if I zoom out. The first phase was very lower chakra base, so it started off with this huge explosion of sexual energy with like a twin flame encounter, and then I had a like traumatic throat injury, which was kind of like a dark night of the soul thing, and my whole body like shut down basically, like it really shut down all of that energy. And then when I came out of that and I found the next step in my journey, um it began to be more of the upper chakras, and my initial signs of that were the spontaneous kriyas while meditating. And then I started feeling movement of energy. And so when I'm just like walking around or like taking any minute, like I just feel energy going zoom, 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 zoom. And I'll feel it like spin around my heart, and I'll feel it like, and it's like throughout the day, like most days, some days it's a little bit lighter. Some days, like the other night, I just was like up in the middle of the night and I could feel it like so fast. And so that's what prompted me to like Google like streams of energy going down my head. And so I just wanted like insight into if anyone else has this, and what is this? What is that sensation? And is it, do I need to do anything with it? And does anyone else experience that? But it's totally changed my life because I feel it all throughout the day. And so it's just very, and then yeah, I guess, and then also in the midst of that, I've had all of this throat stuff coming up and to work through. So.
Great. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for sharing. Yeah, so energy moving up and down throughout the entire body, throughout particular chakras, all very common. I mean, this is the process itself. So it doesn't just happen once, we have this like you described like a sexual explosion and then it's done. No, like that's the awakening of the energy. Now it begins to work. And
Mm.
so some like myself will refer to it as the Divine Mother Shakti, and we'll say she's working, she's moving through
Mm.
the system. Um, um, you know, uh, uh, Fine tuning, releasing, burning things up, opening up energetic channels, healing, transforming. Like it's a nonstop 24/7 project, a transformation, an upgrade happening here. And it's having that alone is life changing because there's this literal like force moving throughout your body, but then it's also actually doing work. It's not just about the movements, it's about what's happening, and the unfoldings will take place and reveal themselves over time, likely many years, which is not a problem. Let it take as much time as it needs, but there may become certain periods where you have like significant breakthroughs and shifts where there's like clear markers that you've made a shift or some change has occurred. Not uncommon at all. What you should do is you just trust that this is how the process is. You have the God awake within you. It is your higher self. It's your spirit guides. It's whatever you would like to call it. It's not separate from you. It is you, and it's just taking you to the next stage in your evolutionary journey. So what you can do is you trust it, you surrender, you thank it, and then you support the body with self-care, as well as any other spiritual practices that feel right for you. Getting quiet in meditation, if you like, and you feel called to maybe practice mantras, listening to mantras as well, maybe writing, maybe expressing, doing anything that works with language. If you're experiencing some things in the throat and those things feel like they resonate with you, engage in some of those practices. But ultimately, you can't really go wrong. There's a lot of ways of approaching this stuff, and ultimately, she, the Divine Mother, won't let you go wrong. She won't let you go wrong. So
Mm.
just trust, let it unfold. All will be well.